the FINEDAY Keyboard 3.0. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will look at a retro keyboard, the FINEDAY 3.0. This can be used wired or wireless. I will go over specs, features, test it out, and then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you're new to my channel, I have been here before. Thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. The keyboard comes with a user guide, USB cable if you want to use it wired, and a tool to remove the keys. Going over some specs, this comes in two colors, black and white. It's lightweight, coming at 2.2 pounds with a dimension of 14.5 by 7.2 by 3.4 inches. It's made with ABS plastic and aluminum. Uses blue switch type. Can be wired or used via Bluetooth, which uses two AA batteries. White LED backlight. Mac and PC compatible. Volume controls, and a total of 4 multi-pairing. Looking at the white version, it has a nice finish throughout with a compact design and it's very light. On the left side, you have the hand lever, which is also used as the enter key. You have the left wheel, which controls the LED brightness. On the top of the keyboard, you have the device holder, the battery indicator, caps lock indicator, wired and wireless indicator. Taking a look at the right side, you have the volume wheel. On the back, you have the USB Bluetooth switch, the PC Mac switch, and the wired input. And on the bottom, you have the battery compartment, which takes two AA batteries. As mentioned, this is made of ABS plastic, which is the keys and the housing. The aluminum parts are the wheels, lever, and the nameplate. There's another model which is made of all aluminum, which is a bit on the pricier side. And this is how it sounds when it's in use. Here's a look at the black version. Pairing is simple. Just press the function and 0 button until it appears on your device. You can pair up to 4 devices with the multi-pairing. And here it is paired up with the iPad. Looking at the LED lighting, you can toggle the brightness by using the left wheel or the function key and the up arrow or down arrow. There are multiple lighting modes and you can toggle them by pressing the function and the L keys. Here are my thoughts on the keyboard. I love the retro look and feel to it. It does give you that typewriter experience when you're using it. It's well made and it feels durable. Both colors are sharp. The keys were responsive and there's good feedback. I was able to pair with my tablet and a desktop with no issue. Having the wired option is a plus if you don't want the hassle of replacing batteries. The LED lighting is a nice touch along with the different modes. You also have the ability to turn it off completely if you don't want it on. If you want the numeric keypad, they do offer a 104 key model, which is another option. These keyboards are on the pricier side, but it's definitely something to put on your list if you want that retro look. So that is my review of the FINEDAY Keyboard 3.0. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.